Friends, noises coming from the shoulder joint is a very common presenting complaint in our outpatient department, and it is also a very common question which has been asked by all of our viewers, that there is some different noises which are coming from the shoulder. It may be a pop, it may be a snap, it may be a crack, it may be a snap, it may be a tuck, it may be a cut, different type of noises which may come from the shoulder joint. Friends, in this video I am covering about all the aspects of noises coming from the shoulder, and I will cover about the treatment of each and every problem as well. So please watch this video till the end. In the starting of the video, I'll tell you the most important summary of this video, and that is, when is the noise coming from the shoulder serious? Because many a time a noise can come without a problem also. So you should be aware that when you hear a noise from the shoulder and when it is significant, or when you have to consult a specialist immediately. So there are three very important conditions in which a noise coming from the shoulder joint become significant. And what are they? They are: number one, if the pain is associated with a popping of the shoulder. So if the noise is coming from the shoulder and it is associated with pain, then it is significant. You should consult a shoulder or an arthroscopy specialist. Number two, supposedly you don't have any noises coming out of your shoulder before, but you suffer an injury to your shoulder, like you suffer a fall, or you lifted any heavy object, or you do something heavy work, and after that you start hearing noise from the shoulder. So if you start hearing noises from the shoulder after an injury episode, then it is suggestive that you may have a significant problem in the shoulder and you must consult a shoulder specialist. Number three, if you have noises coming out of the shoulder and you also feel that your shoulder is lax, or your shoulder will pop out, or shoulder will come out, or shoulder will dislocate, or shoulder will subluxate, the shoulder shifts from inside, that is instability associated with noise coming from the shoulder. These are the three conditions in which you should take the noise coming from the shoulder seriously, and you should approach a shoulder specialist. Now, as I told you that there are lots of kind of noises which can come from the shoulder, and these are all sort of different noises. You can hear a loud pop, you can hear a tuck, you can hear a cut kind of noise, or you can hear a snap, a crack. Also, sometimes you may hear noise not from the shoulder but behind the shoulder, in the scapula or periscapular region also. So let's come to the 10 most important causes of shoulder noise. So what are they? Number one, which is the most important cause, is a cavitation. That means that a normal shoulder without any problem inside is causing noises. The typical feature of this is you don't have any pain. Here there is no problem, no pathology inside the shoulder joint, and the shoulder is absolutely normal, and you don't need to worry about it, you don't need to do any investigation about it. This is because of small air bubbles which form in the synovial fluid of the shoulder because of normal movement. So this is normal, don't worry about it. If your noise is alone, no pain associated with it, and it is coming for a long time, don't worry about it, just forget it and relax. The second cause, which is a very important cause, specifically in old age person, supposedly if your age is more, or if you have any history of trauma, history of any surgery, and then you start noises from the shoulder which is also associated with pain, the most important cause is arthritis in the shoulder joint. So arthritis in the shoulder joint can cause loud noises coming from the shoulder. And what happens is, this is the shoulder joint. You have degeneration in the head of the humerus and in the glenoid region. So this is a very important cause of painful shoulder syndromes or painful shoulder problems accompanied with noises coming from the shoulder. So if you have a shoulder arthritis, and if you want to diagnose, if you want to confirm that if you have a shoulder arthritis or not, ideally you should get a plain X-ray of the shoulder. That will usually give you the confirmation of the diagnosis. Occasionally, we also advise MRI scan in some patients. If you find out that you are suffering from arthritis of the shoulder joint, don't panic. It is a treatable condition which can be treated very successfully with a shoulder replacement surgery which is done at specialized shoulder centers. So this shoulder replacement surgery is basically a surgery in which the shoulder joint which is damaged is replaced by new shoulder joint. So what we do is we replace the shoulder joint with a new joint, which can be a total shoulder replacement, which can be a reverse shoulder replacements, like this. So different kind of shoulder joints are available. If cost is not the constraint and your age is more, then the best joint is a reverse shoulder joint, which gives you a lot of movement as well along with the pain relief. Friends, if you need to have a detailed knowledge about shoulder replacement and reverse shoulder replacement, I will advise you to go and see our video on shoulder joint replacement. Now I will come to the third important cause, and that is called as a snapping shoulder or snapping scapula syndrome. So if you see the shoulder joint, this is the humerus bone, this is the scapula bone, and if you see on the back there is a blade of the shoulder, and this is called as scapula, and occasionally you have some bursal covering over here, and you may have noises coming out from there, and that is called as a snapping scapula syndrome, and this is usually on the medial aspect of the scapula. And snapping shoulder syndrome is an extra articular cause, so nothing is wrong inside the shoulder, the problem is outside the shoulder in the scapular region. And if this is the problem, in majority of the cases, this problem can be tackled, can be treated with arthroscopic procedures successfully. Sometimes these cases arthroscopy may not be needed, because if you do a good rehab, good physiotherapy also, then you may have an improvement as well. There is one more condition similar to this, in which occasionally what happens is you develop some small tumors or some small lesions which are called as osteochondroma, and these are usually present on the blade of the scapula. This is very common, and these also will cause noises coming on the back of the shoulder joint. Also, there is another cause which can cause noises coming from the shoulder. Occasionally patients have trauma, have injury on the shoulder joint, and they may have fractures in the joint. You may have fracture in the clavicle, fractures in the scapula, and these fractures can lead to malunion of bones, and that also may cause a noisy shoulder. Now I will come to a very important cause of noise from the shoulder: previous surgery. So if you have any surgery which has been performed on your shoulder, you may have noises coming from the shoulder. Sometimes in shoulder surgery we use plates, we should use specific screws, specific anchors, and these all may cause painful shoulder syndromes. So if you have constant painful noises coming from the shoulder after a surgery, you must approach a shoulder specialist, and occasionally these implants, plates and screws can be removed to treat this problem. Important thing here, you must know that in the initial period this noise is normal. So if you have been operated with a shoulder arthroscopic surgery and you notice some noises coming from the shoulder joint in initial phases, they are normal and they will usually subside with time. But if you hear the noises after a long period of time also, like 6 months, 8 months, 12 months, then usually it is symptomatic, it is usually problematic, and then you should approach your shoulder specialist surgeon for the same problem. Then I will come to a very, very important cause, and this cause is called as the biceps subluxation. So here you see that there is a tendon which is coming from the scapula, and this goes over the humerus like this, and this tendon is called as a biceps tendon, and this tendon may cause snapping, or this tendon may cause subluxation, which can result in noise coming from the shoulder. This is called as a biceps instability or biceps subluxation, and this problem is usually typically seen in patients who may have a rotator cuff pathology also. So if you have a biceps tendon problem, the treatment is with shoulder arthroscopy. It's a simple procedure. If your age is more, we can do a biceps tenotomy. If your age is less, we usually do a procedure which is called as a biceps tenodesis, and this we do with the use of particular anchors. And this is a very successful surgery. So if you have a biceps subluxation issue, if we address it with shoulder arthroscopic surgery, the results are very, very good. Now, occasionally in young patients, you can have painful shoulder because of labral tears or labral injuries, and this may be due to trauma, maybe due to subluxation, maybe due to accident or any injury. Here the age of patient is less, so these patients are usually 15 to maybe 30-40 years of age, and they usually suffer a traumatic episode. After that the shoulder become painful, and legs, the shoulder become loose. You can feel subluxation of the shoulder joint, and you can feel noises coming from the shoulder joint. Ideally, to diagnose this problem, the best investigation will be a high sensitivity MRI scan. We usually recommend an MRI scan which is at least 1.5 Tesla. The best is to use an MRI scan minimum of 3 Tesla. If this is the condition, usually what we recommend is an shoulder arthroscopic surgery, in which we do a procedure in which we repair the labrum with use of special anchors, and we pass some special sutures to repair the labrum back to its position. Then that is called as a Bankart repair surgery or a labral repair surgery, and this is a pretty successful surgery in itself. Then I will come to the last but not the least, it is an important cause, repetitive trauma or repetitive stress. This problem is very commonly seen in laborers, heavy workers, those patients who are lifting heavy weights, heavy activities, weightlifters, and usually because they do a same activity again and again, heavy activity on the shoulder, usually they can develop some pain and problems in the shoulder joint. This is a very common occurrence, and supposedly it happens or it occurs. What is the solution? Usually we get an MRI scan, which is very important. Usually it will pick up the problems. It may be a bursitis, tendinitis, or tendon tears, rotator cuff injuries. And in most of these cases, if there is swelling, we can give specific medications to reduce the swelling, some rehabilitation and physiotherapy. And in occasional cases where the injury is more, repetitive trauma, repetitive stress has caused tendon ruptures, then in some cases we might need to do arthroscopic procedure in which we may have to repair the torn tendons, and this is called as rotator cuff tendon repair. And this is a very, very successful surgery if done in expert hands. So friends, in this video I hope that I am able to cover all important causes which can cause noise coming from the shoulder joint. If you have any questions or any queries, you can write it on the comment box. We will try to answer all of your queries. Friends, if you want to have a video consultation, you can avail the facility of video consultation. The numbers are given in the description as well as on the video. So you can arrange a video call with a prior appointment. Thanks a lot.